Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Today's dinosaur is one of my favorites. It starts with an A and has a tail like a club. Albatross. Nice try, Bruno. Albatross does start with an A, but an albatross is a bird. The answer is Ankylosaurus. Sore ankle. So close, Bruno. Like this. Ankylosaurus. 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 That's it, Bruno. Ankylosaurus lived in the Cretaceous period in North America and Canada. Where do you think the fossils were found, Bruno? Montana. That's right, Bruno. Montana's the state the fossils were found. Time to use the time simulator and see what they really look like. Big tail. You're right, Bruno. That club-like tail was used to swing at other dinosaurs for protection, just like all those armored plates on its back. Ankylosaurus was a herbivore, which means eats plants. That's right, Bruno. Herbivore means plant eater. The word Ankylosaurus means fused lizard. They lived for about 80 years and were quadrupedal, which means they walked on 4 feet. Quad means 4, and pedal means feet. They had a maximum speed of about 5 miles an hour. They weighed about 4 tons, or as much as an elephant. The Ankylosaurus was about 6 meters, or 20 feet long, and was about 6 feet, or 2 meters tall. They also had a great sense of smell. Oh no, Bruno! T-Rex! Where's the time simulator? I can't find it. Hurry up! Here it is, Bruno. Wow, Bruno. I can see him coming this time. Scary. It is, Bruno. Okay, kids, that ends today's show. But we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno. Bye, Bruno.
Bippy Pie.